Making money online is easier than before. Most of the money-making method in this video doesn't require any investment at all. Spend your free time learning each method using a free tutorial from YouTube, then take action. 1. Sell your photos. Stock photography websites. Do you have photography skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge storehouses of photographs, covering almost every possible subject you could imagine. So how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any one of a number of websites, allowing magazine editors, designers or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock photography websites: photos can be sold any number of times, so you can continue to make money without any effort. The most famous photography sites to check out include Shutterstock, PhotoShelter and Getty Images. 2. Create tutorial videos. In recent times, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides. Creators can monetize their videos by YouTube ad revenue, charging a subscription fee or password protecting content for paying customers only. Get to know the keywords that people search for. To find potential search keywords, start typing "how to" your topic into YouTube's search bar and notice what phrases are generated in the autofill dropdown. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your video title, description, and tags. If you're creating a video for the first time, the key secret is consistency. Keep uploading videos. Once your channel get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour watch time, you can monetize your videos. 3. Teach English. If you're a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you already have the #1 qualification to make some additional income every month. Portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world. Here are some websites you can use to make money by teaching English include gooverseas.com, Teachaway, Teach English online to Chinese students, iTutor Group, Teach English online to Taiwanese children and adults, and English Hunt, Teach English on the phone to adult students in Korea. 4. Starting podcast that pays. Podcasting doesn't have to be complicated. With a microphone, laptop and free recording software, you'll be up and running. Plus, podcasts don't need to run every day. Once a week is best, and are better when they're short. There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obvious is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own products or services. 5. Become a translator and interpreter. Do you speak another language? Anywhere you find expatriate communities, and where English is not the first language, you'll find a need for interpreting and translation services. You can also do translation and interpretation online. You'll find a number of resources for being a translator or an interpreter such as Fiverr.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Lionbridge.com and more. 6. Start a drop shipping business. Have you heard of drop shipping? It's a method of retail where the seller doesn't actually have a physical inventory. Instead, when a customer makes an order, the seller purchases the item from a third party, and they ship it directly to the customer. This means you'll never need large warehouse for inventory. And you'll never have to buy products in bulk, hoping to sell enough to recoup your investment. This method can be done with online selling platforms like eBay or Amazon. 7. Earn money by typing. Transcribing is simple. Listen to an audio file through headphones and type it out. Transcription jobs are paid by the audio hour, the length of the audio file, rather than by the hour worked. The time spent on a transcript is influenced by the audio quality, background noise, the accent of the speaker and the speed at which people speak. The average transcriber, typing between 75 and 100 words per minute, will complete one audio hour in 4 hours worked. Consider the company Rev.com, which hires freelance transcribers. Also, you can list the same gig on Fiverr.com. 8. Make money by blogging. If you have expert knowledge on certain topics, share your advice on a blog. If travel is your area of expertise, think about what you have to offer. Are you an expert in luxury travel or budget travel? Can you share advice about certain activities like hiking or shopping? The more specific you get, the easier it'll be to attract an engaged audience and to earn money with your site. You can make money by affiliate marketing or ad revenue from the advert network. Start your blog for less than $4 from Bluehost, link in the description. 9. Make money from ebook. The ebook business is a great way to earn money. You can create your own ebook for free using a free tool like Canva. Or find a book that's already been published in print and license it to publish online. You can pay the author 8 to 15% royalties based on net sales or a one-time payment for the online publishing rights. The best platform to sell an ebook is Kindle.com. Also, you can learn all about how to create and upload an ebook from Kindle free tutorial. 10. Sell online course. Make more money than selling an ebook by creating a whole online course with tutorials, PDF downloads and videos. It's a great way to generate a passive income because people will pay for the expert knowledge. The online course industry is growing and people predicting this industry worth billions in the coming years. All you need is a laptop, a microphone and recording software to record the tutorial. You can upload the course to websites like Skillshare.com or Udemy.com.